with Tahonera. Right here. Ooh, that's gotta hurt knee to knee.
Yeah.
Si Captain Hook kasi, iba na yung buto niyan eh. Because of his mileage. I mean, masakit din dapat yun kay Captain.
MPBL Datu Cup. Mike Cayonayon. Rodriguez spinning. He's been very aggressive to begin the third. That is rejected by Marquis. Robles on the move. Robles finishes with
Asking for a foul right there on the drive. This was the terrific defense by Marquis, blocking it with two hands that led to the 3-on-1 break.
really Robles with a finish on the other end. The fast break.
It's going to be important for them to execute on both ends as they are forced into a turnover that will end up with a jump ball and they will get possession. As quickly itong mga officials natin natuto na. Dumami na rin yung security natin. Oo, syempre.
Bilis, oo. Syempre. Larry Muyang down on the floor here after getting knocked down earlier. Muyang.
Halos isang dosena yung mga nakikita yung naka-green dahil, well, for two reasons.
Madami
the
na
trophy
nangyari.
is in the building.
That's right. Okay, that's one of the reasons. Kaya
worth 10 million lang naman. Okay, and obviously, of what happened last game, there was a lull for about 15 to 20 minutes, I believe, in that second quarter, wherein, Macmac Cardona made his stamp, even though not shooting the ball well overall in that game, but really a big reason why they were able to turn things around in that second quarter, last 5 minutes.
Ito yung nangyari kanina, Coach Christian. Here's the dive by Larry Muyang. Tried to secure it. And he was crowded here by Box Raimundo and Eman Calo. I'm not sure where he got hit.
Right there, the knee to the face.
Oh.
Right there. Ayun. So, it was the one by Clarito.
Oh, not John Wilson.
Yeah, not John Wilson. It was the one by Clarito. Yeah, that's in a sportsmanlike foul. Yeah, good call on the replay. Medyo may extension pa pagkatapos.
So this could be the opening, the turn that Davao has been looking for in this ballgame, especially in the second half. Foul called on Clarito here. So 2 free throws plus possession for the Davao Occidental Tigers.
Somebody threw something on the floor from the San Juan crowd.
And we're going to restore order here.
I saw it was you.
That wasn't me. I'm just behaving here on the sideline. But let's see, they're trying to find the person. Of course, we don't want the game that's happening on the floor.
Well, if Senator Jinggoy...
Mabilis yan.
Mabilis yan. Tuturo lahat yan.
They're trying to find the guy though, but Eman Calo will proceed to shoot the free throws. The Tigers down by 10, 45 to 55. Samantala, pumunta muna tayo dyan sa court.
For Coach Don Dulay, ang maaaring lang gawin for the fourth quarter is to pick up the intensity sa last 10 minutes na kanilang laro. And pinaka-importante pa rin daw ay to execute at their play well. Go hard or go home nga, sabi ni Coach. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Nikki. Well, fourth quarter, game number 4. Tigers fighting for survival. San Juan fighting for the championship. Batiin muna natin dito. Happy viewing, Mr. Ice Peña, PO3, Go Hard Jordan of QCPD Station 11, and our statistician, J.R. Apostol. Watching intently now here in game number 4. A minute gone in the fourth quarter. This is the possession. That is the result of the unsportsmanlike foul earlier. Eman Calo driving, going hard to the hoop. Again, another missed layup. Box Raimundo could not finish on the second serving. And Larry Muyang got hit in the face right there And another bottle thrown on the floor here.
Ito, bote na talaga.
Ayan.
Yung kanina, parang takip lang yun eh.
Hindi maintira pang ating game.
Obviously, something that we don't need.
And I think they have a good idea of who the person is. Kasi nakaturo na sila dito.
Oy, malaki yung bagay na tinapon. Kahit si Bakbak mismo nagagalit.
Oo. Nakita niya yata kung sino yung nagtapon dito. And that is all the way dyan sa ating GA or General Admission. Dun sa may taas.
At nagagalit kasi si Bakbak dahil momentum.
Ayan, pinapatay yung momentum nila.
Oo.
And tignan natin kung mahahanap nila. But they're still trying to find the guy, and this allows.
Or girl.
Yeah.
Who knows?
So San Juan regrouping. The Tigers regrouping briefly. And Senator Jinggoy with some words here to the crowd. So ibalik din yung hospitality dito sa San Juan.
I can personally validate what Senator Jinggoy said even before the game, where a guy like Makmak Cardona, who is usually booed,
Yeah.
by the way, especially playing away, was actually cheered by that Davao crowd.
Ganun ka supportive kahit yung
Even with their,
road crowd natin.
obviously a fan favorite, or had some, handful of fans.
yeah.
But it shows also to support kung ano yung sinabi ni Senator Jinggoy.
Right.
This is the play wherein Bogart removed a good chance to score off a defensive rebound, pero dahil binaba niya yung bola, natapik sa kanya, and compounding, you cannot compound one mistake after another by committing a silly foul like that at this stage of the ball game. 2 free throws, plus ball possession, down by 8.
So na-cancel out yung opportunity kanina nung Davao when they got the unsportsmanlike foul. And now Muyang converts on the first. 9-point lead again for San Juan. Pasalamatan natin LGRD official, outfitter of the MPBL Cup. I like the gesture of Makmak Cardona earlier, checking in on Box Raimundo kung okay lang siya.
Well, you should check on Coach Randy also. Yung high blood niya, baka tumaas ulit.
Sakot na ulit siya dito.
Although they're in a good situation right now.
But generally in this game, he's been calm. He's
Yeah.
been sitting down pretty much the entire game.
Credit Coach Yong Garcia for a terrific.
Mike Ayonayon, speaking of a struggling player, gusto rin makabawi dito. Ayonayon, a drop there by Davao, and this is Calo ahead of the pack, taking the contact from behind wisely from Wamar, and he will head to the line for a couple of
About 4 or 5 steps
ahead.
in front.
Right.
Yeah. Right there. Pero dahil biglang pumreno, itong si Calo, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon si Wamar to make a play and prevent the points. For a total of 62 points.
Game number 5, that will be Thursday. Back in Davao as Marquis is found in the process right there.
And to your point,
Balik tayo sa Davao. But the Tigers securing this victory in game number 4, 77